Hi, this is Shavik, and I'm recording a screencast for FMAP, which is a tool for feature matching across platforms. As you can see, FMAP is hosted on GitHub. We are in the home folder. I'll go to FMAP, and this contains the GitHub repo, the README file, and a copy of our paper. So this is the README file that I have submitted as a part of the artifact evaluation. This describes the tool, and it has a link of all these subjects. So we used 9 subjects for our study. The first 6 were open source subjects and have been installed locally on this virtual machine. And the last 3 are public subjects which need to be accessed through their public URLs. So let me open this Drupal subject. So let's get started with capture. So here's the Chrome extension. When I press this, it opens up this page. This page actually shows us, allows us to select the different browsers, the desktop and the iPhone, which is the mobile browser. It actually simulates iPhone browser by altering the user agent. As you can see, this particular tab is being debugged by our extension, so anything we do here will be captured. So let's open up our subject, and in doing so, we have sent a bunch of network requests, and as we can see, all of them have been captured by our extension. Okay, so let's go and perform a use case. Let's say we'll create a new user account. So as we interact with this application, it's sending more and more requests, and all of these will be captured. Let's finish this. Now let's save this. We'll say register on desktop. And let's see the downloads. Here we can see that our JSON file has been submitted, and other files that you see, dat files, these are screen dumps of the intermediate screens. So now let's repeat the process by selecting the iPhone mode. You see that the browser has been resized, and let me load the same subject again. Notice that I'm giving a different URL here because this is the URL where I've configured the mobile website. As you can see, the website looks very different. So let me do the same thing here. Let me create an account. That does it, and I'll save this as user register. As you can see, behind the scenes, it has created a M user, which is the mobile version of the user register. We have the D user. So this is how you can capture the different traces, and we did capture a lot of traces. And let me show you in our GitHub repo. In the traces folder, we have all these different traces, and we have them separated. So this has all traces for Drupal, and this one has the ones from mobile. So we had all these traces, and the objective of FMAP tool is to match these traces across the different platforms. And let me show you how we do that. Okay, so now we are in the FMAP folder. Let's go to GitHub/FMAP. This is where the tool is, and then I can run the tool by providing the help option, and this will should show me the tool help. It says that this is the tool's usage, right? We need to provide the names of the subjects or all. We can provide -b to make the tool run in dumb mode, which is the baseline. Explain that later. Okay, so let me do fmap.py, and I'll say all to run all the subjects. I can also give something like WordPress, Wikipedia to just run these subjects. But for now, I'll give all. And the tool is now processing each of the subjects, and it's generating a report for each of them. And if I do ls, I can see that it has generated an output folder. So if I do ls output, now it shows me that it has all these results. Drupal FMAP is the name of a technique. So Drupal FMAP results, and this is the timestamp. Now let me run the same tool on our baseline. So if I say minus b, then it uses a simpler analysis, which is our baseline for our evaluation. I can also pass minus v so that it generates some verbose results. So let's see. It says that it's processing Drupal. As you can see, all these results now have the word baseline in them, in the file name. If I do ls output slash, then I see a bunch of more files have been created. For each subject, we have the FMAP and the baseline version of the results. Okay, so now let me go into one of them and try to explain it to you. As you can see, it shows a lot of intermediate results as well, and here it's showing the results of clustering. So these are the results of clustering for research question 1. These are all the different clusters. Here you can see results of mapping, and the load statistics for the input data is being shown here, and this is our final result. So it says that these features, add article with summary and article with picture, did the same thing on the server side, and they were matched with add article with pic, add article, and article with summary on the mobile side. This is how our feature matching works. On our website, if we go to the tool folder, FMAP, it has a README which explains all of this. So it has the tool usage, how the tool can be run, and the output. And here I've explained what each of the output means. So this is, for example, the clusters. That was research question 1. And we have the matching table here, right, and the details of the matching below. Right. All this has been explained in greater detail in the README file, which is included in the submission. And I hope you like my tool. Thank you for your time.